All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm so excited to open this package and share the experience with you guys. So as promised, today we are going to play with the Hershey's Cookies and Cream 12 color palette by Glamlite. And yes, I will definitely have a link below for you to purchase. Get this open. I'm excited to create a look with this. Probably already should have had my makeup done. This is in here pretty good. Not a huge palette. It's really a really cute, nice size. Like, you know, the size of a candy bar. It's really cute. So cute. All right, let's see. It has a faint smell, but you know how sometimes you can smell cardboard? So I don't know if it's the cardboard or the actual palette, but the colors are beautiful. All right, so here are all the colors. This color here, that brownish color here, I wish that was a little bit more caramel-like, but you know, I do understand. You can see the colors a little bit better there. So I may have to include another color from another palette just for the transition color, but ooh, I don't know what to do. I don't know if I want to do a smoky eye, but this blue right here, guys, is calling my name. So I think I'm gonna create something with that. But first, I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'll come back. All right, guys, my makeup is done. I'm gonna lay down a little bit of powder just because I'm not sure. I just want to make sure that, you know, my makeup is not messed up. I've never used this palette, so just as a precautionary, we're gonna lay down some powder. So I'm gonna go in with, and this is, I've had this for quite some time, but I'm gonna go in with Urban Vibes eyeshadow base. Okay, all right, we're just gonna blend that in, push that in. You know, now that I'm getting older and, you know, I'm starting to get wrinkles in my eyes. Not to say that I didn't do it before, but I really have to make sure I lay down a really good primer, even just for like my everyday look. Like I have to lay down a primer on my eyes because I will get some separation. All right, so for my crease color, I'm going in with the Love Yourself palette. This came in BoxyCharm. Yes, I still say BoxyCharm. All right, and we're gonna go in with that warm brown color there, right there by my pinky. For my crease color, we're just gonna lay a good amount of that down because in my head, I'm just gonna use two colors. I'm not sure if that's gonna be the end result, but I'm just going to press that in. And while I'm doing that, I'm kinda like carving out exactly where I want that color to be. So go a little bit higher because I want when I close my eye, you can still see a little bit of that. So I'm gonna go a little bit higher because, you know, I have those wrinkles there and I really want that color to show when I put my other color on top. Blend those edges out. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Blend those harsh edges out. And like most people, one of my eyes is different from the other one. So I'm gonna go back in that first one. A little bit higher. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and lay some of that under my lash line. All right, and I'm gonna go back in with eyeshadow base I use. just because like I really want the color I'm putting on to like really stick. Press that in, and I'm just gonna do one eye at a time. And again, I'm going in with the blue color, which is the color 6. So there are no names, but only numbers, as you can see. So I'm going in with number 6. And again, we're being really careful because we don't know how this is gonna come off. Definitely a pretty blue. You can definitely see that it's buildable. It's so pretty. And I'm just gonna blend while I'm pressing that in. So as you can see, I'm kind of blending up. Just get a nice blend there. Smoky eye is one of the easiest to do, guys. You just have to blend. Blend, blend, blend. So again, I'm just blending that up, as you can see. It's so pretty. Once I get that blended how I want it, I may go in with the blending brush, but I want to build that color, especially on my lid. You know, you do want it to fade up, so I want my lid to be the most pigmented. And then it blend up from there. Alright, so I'm going in with that lash brush I had, and I'm going on the edges there. Ooh, this is so pretty. I would say that it has fallout, but you know, if you're an experienced makeup wearer, you can definitely finagle that in your application. So again, you just want to make sure, and I've said this before, you just want to make sure you use a brush that is dense and not fluffy, because if it's fluffy, it's going to fall everywhere. All right, let's do that again. We're almost done with this, so we're just going to press. And that's another thing. You want to make sure you press and not really swipe. Of course, you're going to get a little bit of fallout. I can see on this side that there is a little bit of fallout. But again, you just want to press, press, press. Okay, and blend up just to make that color a little bit more pigmented. And you guys have to forgive me when I'm doing my makeup, like I kind of zone in, and that's something I'm trying to work on. Just speak up a little bit louder, right? You know, when I'm doing my makeup, because when I'm doing my makeup, I do kind of zone out a little bit all along those edges. So pretty. All right, again, that was color number 6. See there how much product I use there. So it's a little soft, but not too bad. All right, we're gonna go ahead and carry on. Hold our lashes really good, and then get that extra eyeshadow product that was on there. So I like to really get down in there and pull that extra product off my lashes. See on this side, you can see all that product. I'm just gonna dig deep and lift. And that feels so good when I do that. Favorite lash glue, Star Lash Glue, absolute favorite. Again, I love a lash glue where, you know, if I need to clean it, the glue just peels right off. Doesn't leave like a film or anything. And you know, I can use my lashes as many times, you know, as I take care of it. So again, I love a glue that's gonna dry fast, keep me moving, and can clean easily. All right, lashes are on, and now I'm just gonna sweep away the powder. And when you leave powder under your eye for fallout, you wanna sweep away. So don't sweep this way because you're gonna drag that product, right? So you want to sweep this way, the opposite way, just to make sure. So I'm going to go back into the Love Yourself palette, and that color on the top there, not the pink one, this one here. I'm just going to go in that. And you guys know I will use a eyeshadow and a heartbeat for highlighter. All right, guys, so I'm going to do my hair, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back and this is my finished look. Really simple, easy look to create. Just remember guys, you can always add but not take away. I mean, you could take away, but you would be starting over. We don't want to do that. Alright guys, so this is my completed look. This blue is absolutely beautiful. Of course, the camera doesn't know justice. Way more beautiful in person. Again, 2 colors. And just remember guys, you can create a smoky eye with any 2 colors. So many options out there, but this is definitely a palette that I am going to keep in my little collection here. Again, it's a very beautiful palette. You get 12 colors, also beautiful. Like this color right here would be a great replacement for the blue color for just like a nice clean natural smoky eye. I also love that look as well. But any of these colors, I can create so many looks with this. And speaking of that, I may for sure I will create one more look, but I may create 2 more looks with this palette just to give you guys some options. I haven't really done like a lot of fun really looks here lately on my channel, like as far as I know I've done several things with my beautiful women of Beauty Over 40, but just on my own I haven't really done anything. So this is definitely something I want to continue to do, is, you know, inspire you guys and give you guys some creative looks. Also, just so you guys know, I did only pay $10 for this palette. $10. It's a very good palette. Pigmentation is good. The formulas are good. It does have the shimmery colors and also the matte colors. And these are the shimmers. They're like a combination of like a loose pigment and powder mixed together. So, you know, doing your application process, you definitely have to, you know, watch your techniques when you're using this eyeshadow palette. But again, only $10. They do have another palette that has like neutral colors that I'm considering getting just because it looks like a really great palette. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get that or not, but definitely I have that link down below. Definitely leave your guys questions and comments down below. So definitely stay tuned for those videos that are coming in the near future. And of course, if you are a beauty over 40, I know this is something I said I would continue to mention in all of my videos. And if you would like to collaborate with myself and my beautiful women of Beauty Over 40, definitely reach out to me, or you can even reach out to any of the ladies that you see on my collaboration videos. Any of those women would definitely welcome you with open arms. All right, guys, so that is it for my video. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup. And my second handle on TikTok, which is _Beauty Over 40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.